Hey everybody, you are on the Proxy-Seller channel. My name is Max, and in this video I will show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up a proxy in the Money Robot program. For those who don't know, Money Robot is an effective SEO tool and one of the best software to generate traffic to your website and rank it to the top pages on Google. And in order to avoid any issues with your IP while working, it is recommended to set up and use a proxy in the program. I am going to show you how to do this. Open the Money Robot program. Find Settings at the top of the menu. You will see a tab with Settings. You need to select the Proxy tab. There are two options for using a proxy here. The first is to use the Money Robot system proxy. Well, if you do not trust it or you have your own proxy, then check the box next to Use My Proxy List. As shown in the example, you can set your proxies line by line in the field below. If your proxy is a free one, then set it in such format: proxy IP, proxy port. If you have a personal proxy, then you also need to type in a username and password in the following format: proxy IP, proxy port, username, password. When everything is entered, click Save. Done. The proxy is set, and now it will be used when you work with the Money Robot program. But also, do not forget that if you have free public proxies, they are unreliable and cannot guarantee your security working on the network. For safe work, it is recommended to purchase a personal proxy, and there is an excellent resource for this: Proxy-Seller.com. Reliable proxies that guarantee 100% anonymity and around-the-clock customer support service. With such proxies, your data will be safe working with Money Robot. That's all for now. Have a productive day. See you soon.